Robots with Angry Bird heads were on show at the Beijing International High-Tech Expo this week. They're of course modeled after the characters popular in the iOS and Android game from Sweden's Rovio. The robots create their own wireless network, allowing smartphones to connect to and control the bots. Developers said that products based on the wireless network control technology will be out this summer and will work with all major operating systems for phones. Other robots that attracted a crowd were able to dance in sync with each other and could do stunts like this one that stood on its head. Each part of the robot could also be individually controlled by a PC. And this project here uses a tablet as its controller. These mini robots let programmers design actions with a simple set of software. The developers said that even children would be able to learn the system in a very short time. Nick Barber, IDG News Service.